Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. And today I'm cooking with the Ooni Koda 16. I'm going to be making a chicken katsu curry pizza. Let's go make it. So the dough, when it comes frozen, you need to get it out the bag. But you will need to ball it up again because when you take it out of the bag, you're kind of like pulling it out because it sticks to the bag as all dough would. And so you have to make sure, just ball it back up again when you're ready. That's all. This is the biggest peel I've got and it's completely covered it. Right, and here it is. Here's my pizza's big pizza katsu curry with the uni sourdough ball. Just right, it's on full flame. It's quite hot there, but it's lower on this side. So let's see how this goes. Give it a wiggle. It's a big pizza, so it needs to make sure it, yeah, that's good. Let's get this in. Okay, I've got two peels here, one for, oh, I might be using both, I don't know. But I've got my big one because it's a big pizza. And I know I'm turning with a non-turning peel as well, which you wouldn't have to do because if you use one of these, you normally take them out of the oven to turn, but my left hand's for filming again, so I can't do that. But it kind of works like this, so it's not too bad. I think this is done. Ooh. I'm giving those 2 pieces to a family member right now before it gets cold, so I'm going to take those 2 away and we're going to work on this. It's big enough to share. Let's work with this. Right then, show you the base. Sourdough crust. Everything's falling off. I'm gonna give that a try. Oh my gosh. Curry sauce on the base. Katsu curry chicken nuggets. Mozzarella and a bit of spinach with sourdough. I'm a huge katsu curry fan. I'll show you the base again. Oh, cooked that really well. That's really lovely. Very nice. I hope you enjoyed this vid. Take care everyone, bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.